Words have power. Is that the theme of the evening?
Something like that.
Somewhere there.
Mm.
What I want to know is, what does that even mean? For example, expectation and enough. The words that I describe as a glass full, half empty. This is enough, but that was not. I expect you to be queen, but please don't act like a king. Expectation. Enough. For me, for you, for us, it seems, but for me, it's deliberately falsehoods. Words have meaning. What does that even mean? What is this power you have over me? These screams that are silent. Yes, that's me. I cannot breathe. Wait, let me catch my breath slowly. My reality, this power, it's suffocating. Honestly, my knees are puckering right now as I'm on this stage. Unprepared as always. Is that not what life is? Words have power, yet my words have been silenced from birth till now. You see, even your snaps and applause is silent. Words have power, what does that even mean? Yes. When it's the sounds you make from your hands and not the words you say to me that I seek. Words have power. Yet, if you cannot hear me, my murmurs mean nothing. Words have power. What does nothing even mean? Expectation. Enough. Is this enough? Is this poetry? Should I keep saying words or silently screaming for you to hear me? Words have meaning, power, expectation. Enough. Oh, Kuraf. I can't keep doing this to me. Words have power. You know, I left to go eat, but apparently home is only homes when they're familiar faces. But I'm in the world with strangers, you see. Words have power. What does stranger? What does expectation? What does anything really mean? When is house home? When is my queen perceived as king? Words have power. What is enough? What is expected of me?